Hi everybody, how are you today? My name is Elizabeth and I am from Twisted Roots Yoga Studio, and today we're just going to do a 10-minute beginner flow. I'm actually going to use 7 basic yoga exercises from my basic yoga series. If you haven't seen that, check it out. I go through one pose at a time and it's under 5 minutes, but I thoroughly explain them. Today we're just going to put them all together and flow. And we're going to link our breath, we're going to reset, and just stretch with our body a little bit. So we'll go ahead and we will start with mountain pose and just feel the ground beneath you. Now you're welcome to come about hip bone apart. And I usually like to lift my toes up and then settle back down onto the mat so I can find that firm grip like in all 4 corners of the mat and just kind of feel balanced out. And then just relax your shoulders and soften them. And you are welcome to close your eyes with me if you like. Let your arms just naturally come to the side. We can lift up nice and tall, maybe pulling the belly button in a little bit. And I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to think about an intention, maybe one word or a phrase. And we'll take 3 breaths equally in through the nose and out through the nose, going at your own pace. This is your class. This is your time. And just flow with me. Don't do anything that's uncomfortable. Listen to your body. We'll probably do this a few times. We'll go slow at first. The breathing equally in through the nose and then exhale. Just settling in, just calming our mind. And we'll take a few more breaths in through the nose and exhale through the nose. You are always welcome to part your lips and exhale and sigh all that air out. Fill in the belly button, fill up, fill in all that air, and then exhale through your chest. Let's do one more time. Deep breath in. If you had your eyes closed, you can slowly blink them open. And we're going to just kind of wake the body up a little bit. So we'll reach the arms up over your head, just stretching up nice and tall. And then go ahead and bring the arms to the right side, just lift up and over. And maybe you take a gentle, grabbing your left wrist with your right hand, a gentle stretch, a little help with the right hand without, pulling too hard. You can find your edge, or you can just rest your right arm next to your side. Whatever feels good for you. So we'll take a deep breath. Inhale, bring both arms up. Stretch, stretch, exhale. Take a deep breath in. Exhale over to the left, grabbing that right wrist with the left hand. Feel that nice stretch along your rib cage on the right side. Again, you can relax that left arm if that feels good. Relax your shoulder away from your ear. Gentle pull maybe with the right wrist with your left hand. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And then exhale. Bring the arms down to your side. Now I'm going to go ahead and stand towards the edge of the mat. I think I'll come over here. I'll move around the mat a little bit. Make sure there's no objects in your way. And we're going to go ahead and we'll take a deep breath, bring the arms up and around. And then we're going to exhale, take a nice forward fold. Now again, you can be hip bone apart, lift those toes up, plant them down on the earth. Relax your head and neck. You can bring your hands down towards the mat on your shins, or peace fingers grabbing your big toes if you like. And we can take a nice generous fold and a generous bend of your knees, if you will. Relax that head and neck. You can also take any movements here if you would like to grab your forearms, rest your forehead on your arms and just gently sway side to side if that feels good. Or just hang here real heavy, relax the head and neck. You can shake yes or no if that feels good. And when you're ready to join me, yogi ears on just means a transition. Place your hands down towards the earth. And we'll slowly roll one vertebrae up at a time. The head comes up last as we take some gentle flow movements. So we'll go ahead, bring the arms up, take a deep breath in. And then exhale, forward fold. This time, let's go ahead and walk our hands out just a little bit to tabletop, uncurl the toes. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and face you. We're going to go ahead and get an alignment here. So knees are under our hips, elbows, shoulder, and wrist are in alignment. Wide fingers pressing into your palms, and just a neutral position. You can always come back in a table pose anytime that you want. If you want to transition to another pose, or you just simply want to rest, reset, this is always a good pose. Tabletop to cat and cow now. So we'll go ahead and we'll lift that gaze, flatten the back, drop the belly button down, and then go ahead and arch your back, pull the belly button in, find that little scoop here. Relax your head in between your arms. Maybe you gaze down toward your knees or down towards the earth, pressing into your palms. Go ahead and take a few more cat and cows going at your own pace. And then I'll do a gentle reminder about just linking your breath. Vinyasa, we always link our breath to movement. So going at your own pace, we'll go ahead, tops of your feet planted down to the earth. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale. As we round our back, pull the belly button in, dropping our gaze, and then lifting up, opening our gaze. Let's do 2 more for good measure. And you can always take any organic movements that feel good to you. You can always take hip rolls if that feels good. It's your class. Do your thing. Do what feels good. One more time. And when you're ready, yogi ears on. Let's curl those toes in. Let's lift our hips up towards the ceiling. Maybe you bring those arms out in front of you about 6 inches. Just relax your head and neck in between your arms. You do not have to plant your feet all the way down to the earth. You can have a generous bend in your knees, gazing down or gazing towards your shins. Relax that head and neck. And then pressing your hands into your palms, taking the pressure off of the wrist. Make sure your ears are away from your biceps. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead, take a deep breath in, gaze forward, exhale. Come to like you're going into a plank or tabletop. And we're going to slowly lower our hips and everything down to the earth. Shins, tops of our feet planted down on the mat. You might have to move around a little bit or move anything out of the way. Now bring your arms close into your rib cage, pressing into your palms for a cobra, pressing into the tops of your feet, feeling that nice stretch. Relax the shoulders if you can, a little bend in the arms, and release. This is going to help you down the road to get into upward facing dog. Let's do this a couple more times. Pressing into your palms, bring your elbows in close to your rib cage. Lifting up, take a deep breath in, and then exhale. Let's do one more time. Good job. Nice and easy. Pressing up, take a deep breath in, and then exhale. This time we're going to lift up to tabletop. And we're going to go ahead and sink down in child's pose. So we'll go ahead, bring our hips back down towards our heels. You can bring your arms out in front of you with a gentle, very light pull with your biceps. Try not to if you can, but we're stretching out our arms and our shoulders, or you can rest your forehead on your fists, just double fists if that feels comfortable. There's so many different variations. I've got my knees and feet together and big toes touching today. And we'll go ahead, if you want to feel that stretch, you can bring your arms out in front of you. We'll take a few breaths here, breathing in. Feel that nice stretch in your arms and shoulders, your back, your spine. Feel that gentle release. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and come back to tabletop. And then we'll take it to downward facing dog. Curl the toes in. And we're going to gently walk to the edge of the mat. So this time take the left foot in to meet the right. Take that generous forward fold. And when you're ready, roll one vertebrae up at a time. Head comes up last until you're standing. Good job. So we're going to go ahead and do this one more time. We're going to go a little bit faster this time. So you're going to go ahead, take the deep breath in. And then we're going to exhale, forward fold. And when you're ready, we'll go ahead and walk it out, the tabletop, and curl the toes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, round the back. This time we're going to link the breath and glide forward like an inchworm. Bring the arms close into your rib cage. Tops of your feet on the mat. Exhale, come all the way down to the earth. Take a deep breath, inhale. and lifting up. Maybe we lift a little bit higher this time. Relax the shoulders back and down away from your ears, tops of your feet and your shins pressing into the mat. Slowly lower to the ground. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale to down, actually to child's pose. Good job. Reaching those arms up. Stretch, feel that stretch. Take a deep breath in and exhale back to tabletop, gliding forward. We'll go ahead and take that downward facing dog when you're ready, or you can just stay in tabletop. Relax the head and neck. Take a deep breath, inhale, and then exhale. I'm going to take it to the other side of the mat. Forward fold. Again, you can have your hands on your shins, and then we're going to slowly roll one vertebrae up at a time. Head comes up last. Good job. Now you could do this at home as many times as you like. Usually we'll do between 3 and 5 sets, but it is a 10-minute flow, so I just wanted to get you up and moving. I hope you really enjoyed our 10-minute beginner flow. And let me know how you like class, if you could leave a comment. And please subscribe to my channel. I try to put a video out every Tuesday, every week at 10 a.m. Go ahead and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss a class. And I hope to see you again on the mat. Again, my name is Elizabeth with Twisted Roots Yoga Studio. If you want to check out my video library for longer classes, I would love to see you. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you and have a great day. Bye for now.